Hello guys, I'm here with the new video. It is all about scratch. Not like the scratch that we have in our skills. It is the scratch program. It is a program that is used for programming. That is also in our primary book of 5. So I will try to show you what is this and how to do this. The Scratch program will be same like what there is in the manual of the book. Okay, so let's start. Now we have to go in the browser. I'm using Chrome. Then we have to search something, and that is scratch.edu.mtu. Then we have to browse for it. Then there will be some websites. The first one that is here, you have to click on it. Okay, now I have clicked. There's some glitches, sorry for that. Okay, now we are in the Scratch website. Here you can see many of them are using Scratch for programming. You can make apps usually. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to make your browser in the desktop mode. Now go on start creating. Okay, click on start. Now it's loading. It is so much high quality website, so it's need much internet. We don't have much internet, but if you have stable connection, it may took less time. Okay, after much loading, we are here in the dashboard of Scratch. You can see this kind of interface. Now let's start. Here you can see some codes already written here. Okay, you can see before you try. Now you have to go on events, then take the code that is I have taken. Okay, then go to looks. Where's looks, then take the codes written say hello like this. Okay, then go to controls, no, my variable, then click on my variable, then write new variable and write number 1. After writing it, then write new variable and write number 2. Here we go, we are writing number 2. Then click on the go or the button. Okay, now you can see in the upper layer of the Scratch there is number 1 0 and number 2 0. Then you have to go in the part that is written on the book, and that is called sensing. Then you have to go in the ask what you name and click on it. Here you have to write something. Okay, then you have to go in the variables and click on it, number 1. Okay, sorry, not click, attach on it. Now after attaching, you have to take another code that is named set my variable to 0. After that, click on it and select number 1. Sorry, there will be number 1. I mistakenly opened the keyboard. Then go to answer and click on the click, and in the 0 there you have to attach answer. After that you have to go again to the looks, then also attach say hello for 2 seconds. Then go to sensing and then also do the same like the before. Ask what you name and when. Here you have to attach number 2. Before taking number 2, I took set number 2 to 0. Then after taking that, I take the answer and attach in all this. See, like this. Then you have to go to variables. Sorry, you have to take the number 2. Now it's ready. See, the character of scratch is asking something, but for asking something in not digital, in the same question we have to write the question on say dash for 2 seconds. Here I am writing what is the value of number 1. Okay, in the next one you have to write what is the value of number 2. What is the value of number 2? Then go. Here we go. It is full time. Okay, now we have to go on control for the first time and take this code. If, then this type of save, then and then there is also if. Okay, then attach on it. It might be so laggy, but be patient and do this. The answer will be much enjoying for you. Then click on the operators, and there we will see the shape like the that we took from the controls. Okay, now take this one and attach on the shape. That means the gap of the shape. Attach on it. Sometimes it might take long because the shape must be in the same position like the retail code. Okay, now attach it. It may have some glitches. Okay, attached. Now after that you have to go to I think looks. Yes. Oh, it's not looks is the variable. Here in the one, here you have to take number 1, then after you have to take number 2. It is the code to vary the which one is the bigger number which carries the value. Okay, now go to loops and take the code name say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. Then write on it the greater number is. Then for some good touches I'm giving here some ... It may seem that it is thinking about that. Okay, now you have to take the smaller one right below and attach on it. Then here write write number 1. You may not write on here, you may attach on it on the say dash. Okay, then write the same like number 1. You have to attach like same like the number 2. Here because it is same, I am fast forwarding it. Okay, now it is attached. Now I have to write the same thing. What is the greater number? The greater number is then after writing you have to write say hello, then you have to attach number 2. Okay, now the variable you have to attach number 2. Attached. After that, it is fully done. You can see the course, no problem. Okay, done. Then click on the flag right here. You can see I am giving this with an arrow, the upper portion. Okay, beside the red dot there you can see a green flag. Okay, click on it. Then right here, then you can see the scratch is saying what is the value of number 1. Then I am giving the value, like I am saying it is 1. Then after that it is becoming the value of number 2. Okay, giving it 2. Then after giving it, it will say the answer. Okay, the larger number is 2. See, there is written answer is 2. Okay, so it is the program that I have written, and it is also written in our prime book of Bangladesh in the class 5. All the manuals are the same like those. Okay, hope you like the video and enjoy, and always keep trying something new. Bye bye. Subscribe and like.